JDCap 26 here, just repairs and hobbies. And we got a box here. Came today. Let's open it up. And we got a Fanttik. A Fanttik E1 Max. Let's try to open it. This cellophane off. This tool is pretty good for computer work, 3D printers. I wouldn't suggest it for driving screws in for what do you call it, doors or anything like that. It may do it, may not. Get it out of the box here. Let's see, build your own ideas. Got a thing here to take off, and it says press area. That's to lock it, that's to unlock it. Here's the tool. The light goes on. I guess it needs some recharging. Let's open up the tool. Take one of these bits out. Maybe the bit activates the screwdriver. And no, it does not. So let's look at the down here. It says it has high. So let's turn it to high. We turn it to high. There we go, it's turning. So when it's in this middle part right here, I don't know if you can see that, it's on off. That's one. Okay. That's actually L, sorry. That's high. It's on high now. See that? On this case here, it has something to magnify the bit itself. Okay, and that's to pick up screws. I don't know, let's see if we have a piece of wire here to pick up. See, it picks up the piece of wire. See that? That's to magnetize. And you can only magnetize the bit. You can't demagnetize it. So let's take off this top sticker here. Put it over there. And in this little pouch here, and I don't know where you're supposed to keep the pouch, but is your USB adapter to recharge it. Okay. And I just pull this elastic off. Okay, HMID goes in the back right here, plugs in, and then plugs into your computer. See, like that, to charge it. As far as instructions go, the instructions are in the box. You have to look for them. Keep the box, keep everything. And these are your instructions, which they also put in a little baggie for you. You don't need the baggie. And here's your instructions. English is 1.2 to 12. And tells you the model, torque. Tells you charging power is 5 volts equals 14.14A. Rated voltage 3.7. It's a lithium battery, 350 mAh, and rotation 200 RPM. So it goes 200 RPM. As far as charging, magnetizer is there. Let's see. Storage, how to use is 5. So let's go to 5. You have to read through it and see how long it takes to charge. Or maybe we can look this up on a PDF file, because I'm not seeing where it gives you the amount of time. I would say about an hour. Plug it in for an hour and charge it up. So yeah, maybe that could fit in there. I don't know. Probably not. So keep that separate. Put that back in the box. Okay. And these things you don't need. Get rid of those. Pull the plug out. And we'll put that in the box. Keep both the box and the charger separate, I would say, because you don't want to put it all together like that, because it won't fit. Save that. And it's got quite a few bits here. These are all the Torx bits. These are the Allen screw bits right here. And down here, let's see, right here is some flathead screwdriver bits right here. A mixture of Torx and other flathead screwdriver bits. Some tiny Phillips head, which we use for like repairing your iPhone. Then it has this, I don't know if I can pull it out, but it has in here tweezers. Gotta get a screwdriver, hang on. It has this like dentist palette thingy. Now that would come useful for, like, I would use it for 3D modeling, to take apart supports. It's got a pair of tweezers in there, which I'm not going to take out. They're right there, the tweezers. That's for picking up little parts. But I'm going to put that back in there. So I'm not going to use that. Keep it as such. They have a larger size of this. It's called the S1, which is your one that you would use for doing door hinges, screws, bigger jobs, and it has a better torque and everything else. It's quite a bit larger, like that much larger. So you want something that you could get the S1 to do your other jobs, and leave this for your computer work and your 3D printing work, or whatever small jobs you have, like repairing an iPhone. So I turn it around, stick it in there like that, and it goes in here. Goes like that. Press it down to lock it. Press that down to lock it, and it's all together. And that's the Fanttik EM1 Max. Quite heavy too. It's a heavy case, so it's made well. You drop it, not going to break. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Rate and subscribe and give the thumbs up. See you next time. Bye for now.